Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question asked in GATE 2016 based on RC circuit. In this circuit, it is said that this switch 1 is at position 1 for a long time, and at t is equal to 0 second, it will be changed abruptly from position 1 to position 2. So voltage Vc has been asked for t greater than 0 second. These were the options given in the questions. So let us see how can we solve this question. We know that voltage in capacitor for t greater than 0 can be written as Vc infinity plus Vc0 plus minus Vc infinity into e to the power minus t into tau. So we have to calculate voltage in capacitor at t is equal to infinity time and voltage in capacitor at t is equal to 0 plus second. We can distribute this time domain into three parts. First is t less than 0 second, second at t is equal to 0 second when the switching is happening from position 1 to position 2, and the third that is t greater than 0 second. This is the circuit given to us, and it is said that at t is equal to 0 second this switch will move from position 1 to position 2. So we can see that from t is equal to minus infinity up to t is equal to 0 minus second, this capacitor will charge by this 10 volt source. Since this capacitor will charge for a long time, so it will be fully charged and it will come into steady state. So at t is equal to 0 minus second, this capacitor will be in steady state. So for t less than 0 second, we can draw circuit like this. So this switch will be connected from position 1. So here switch is connected from position 1 and this capacitor is charging by this 10 volt voltage source. Let us draw the circuit for t is equal to 0 minus second. As we have seen that at t is equal to 0 minus second, this capacitor will be fully charged and it will be in steady state condition. So it will have as open circuit. We have removed this capacitor and open circuited it. If we calculate voltage at this time, that is t is equal to 0 minus second, so we have assumed this voltage is Vc0 minus. So Vc0 minus can be calculated by voltage divider rule. It will be equal to Vc0 minus equal to 2 upon 2 plus 3 into total voltage 10 volt, that will be equal to 4 volt. Vc0 minus is 4 volt. Since we know that capacitor cannot change its voltage instantaneously, so voltage at t is equal to 0 plus second will be equal to voltage at t equal to 0 minus second at capacitor, and that will be equal to voltage at t is equal to 0 second. So voltage at these three time instances will be equal. So here Vc0 plus can be written as equal to Vc0 minus, that is equal to 4 volt. We have calculated Vc0 plus. Now we have to calculate Vc infinity as it is required in our formula. When the switch is moving from position 1 to position 2, then this capacitor will discharge and charged by this 5 ampere current source. So this is the circuit for t greater than 0 second. Here we can see that this capacitor will be charged again by this 5 ampere current source, and for a long time charging, this capacitor will come again into steady state. So it will act as open circuit at t is equal to infinity time. So for t greater than 0 second, if we draw circuit at t is equal to infinity time, then this capacitor will come into a steady state and it will be open circuited, and voltage across this capacitor at infinity time we have assumed Vc infinity. So Vc infinity can be calculated by voltage divider rule. This 4 ohm will not come into picture since this current is 0 due to open circuited. So this 5 ampere current source will provide supply to this 2 ohm resistance, and this current will flow again by this 2 ohm resistance and it will return back to this current source. So Vc infinity will be equal to 5 into 2, that is the 10 volt. So Vc infinity can be written as 10 volt. Now in our equation we can see that we have calculated Vc infinity and Vc0 plus. There is one more term needed for that, that is tau. So let us see how can we calculate tau. Since we are finding voltage for t greater than 0 second, so we will find the value of tau for t greater than 0 second. We have seen that for t greater than 0 second, this switch is at position 2 and here the capacitor was connected and here 5 ampere current source was connected. So for calculation of RTH, we know that current source will be open circuited and this capacitor has been removed and RTH value has been calculated for this capacitor. So we can see from the circuit the RTH value is 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6 ohm. So tau can be written as RTH into C. RTH value is 6 ohm and C capacitance value is given in the question, that is 0.1 farad. So tau value will be equal to 0.6 second. Now we will put all the calculated values in the given equation. Then we can see that Vc infinity was calculated as 10 volt and Vc 0 plus was calculated at 4 volt and tau is calculated at 0.6 second. By putting all these values, we can find out Vct equal to 10 minus 6 into e to the power minus t upon 0.6 ampere. So this is our answer, which was given as option D in our question.